VBA, Vareo, InfiniTrim. The perfect line for softcovers and hardcovers in Book of One. The Vareo line is a prime example of finishing 4.0. Its high degree of automation provides the basis for customization, variability, and intelligent functions. The possibility of making physical changes from product to product and customizing the contents creates full variability. The line is a continuous system for the production of hardcover book blocks of the highest quality and in runs of one copy. Classic softcover brochures can of course also be processed without any problems. A highlight is the inline connection of a fully one-off capable end-sheet feeder to a Vareo Perfect binder equipped specially for HC applications. Plus the fully sized variable InfiniTrim 3-knife trimmer. The end-sheet tipper 3683 is fully thickness variable and can be set up both in line with the Vareo and nearline. At the infeed, the thickness of each block is measured and the barcode registered. The gap between the end-sheet fold and book spine can be set automatically so that the end-sheet fold is not milled. All known types of book blocks, like thread-sewn blocks through to a non-pre-glued single sheet stack, can be processed. Inline connection to the Vareo is recommended for efficient production. Using a special lifting and turning unit, the book blocks with end sheets are fixed without markings, rotated and transported upwards in a horizontal position. This means they can be fed optimally to the Vareo via the automatic book block feeding unit. The pre-glued book blocks are transported to the automatic book block feeding unit via an inclined conveyor. Here they are synchronized and fed safely to the clamp on the Vareo by using a gripper. The block thickness is measured again upstream of the synchronization flap, and the barcode on the book spine is registered. Depending on the production type, for example softcover with milling or HC with liners, the optimal hangout of 8, 11 or 15 mm can be set using the hangout settings option. In the manual feed, which remains freely accessible, the layers of the book blocks are aligned precisely before the clamp closes and the book block runs into the binding process. The book block is optimally prepared for gluing in the spine preparation station. For processing thread-sewn book blocks, the spine preparation station can be lowered. Hot melt or PUR adhesives can be applied as spine glue. If necessary, the gluing systems can be exchanged quickly via trolley. The hot melt side glue is applied via angled discs, which can be exchanged if needed. The crash station is fully thickness variable in use. Symmetrical and asymmetrical overlaps of the mull stripe at the sides are possible. The bound book blocks are transported by a gripper in the lift delivery. The gentle delivery ensures perfect binding quality. The products are buffered and cooled accordingly for 3-side trimming on the delivery conveyor belt. In order for a comparison to be made afterwards, in the casing inline between the trimmed HC book block and hardcover, the barcode on the book block is scanned in a scan and print unit before trimming, and then printed onto the end sheet. In the fully sized variable InfiniTrim 3-knife trimmer, the HC book blocks get their individual final trim. As no setup effort is required for the cutting table and exchanging the pressing pad in the event of any size changes to spine length and block width, a substantial amount of time can be saved. Manual setting is also not required in the feed zone, as the book blocks are aligned automatically and precisely using the angled roller table and in-feed wheel. No size inputs are necessary when importing data via barcode. The book block is positioned vertically in the in-feed wheel, then transported from here to the corresponding trimming stations using a servo-driven in-feed pusher and grippers. Very large trim-offs can be achieved through the vertical alignment. All trims are carried out perfectly thanks to the patented Smart Press technology. With the new sorting function, products can be sorted for ejection via the information stored in the barcode. For example, HC book blocks can be transported to the right and SC brochures straight out. If a barcode cannot be read correctly, the book is not trimmed. Instead, it is simply transported fully automatically through the InfiniTrim to the optional ejection. Perfect binding quality meets full-size variability. Finishing 4.0 par excellence.